Can a good keyboard switch fix a budget keyboard? In this video, we'll find out if that is true. I have purchased two types of switches. The first one is the 𝗛𝘀𝘵𝗵𝘀 switch, which can be found for about $3.75 for a pack of 10. And each switch will be around 37 cents. This linear switch has a great actuation and it has a nice stocky sound. The next switch I decided to buy was the 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘁𝗴𝘀 Pros. These switches were a bit cheaper at $2.10 for a pack of 10, and each switch being around 21 cents. These switches have a creamy click to them, which makes them perfect for our budget keyboards. The website I use to order my switches is called 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘁.nu. They have a nice variety of switches that could be filtered by brand, price, or descriptors. Shipping was quick and seamless, so I would recommend shopping here. I am in no way sponsored to say that. I just think that they have a great inventory and it was fairly easy to pick up some new switches. I decided to do a sound test on my budget keyboard that I had for a while now. I tested the 𝗛𝘀𝘵𝗵𝘀s first, and here's how they sound. Then I switched them out for the 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘀 Pros, and here is how they sound. The next test that I wanted to see is if it could fix the 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘀 K87. Here's a basic sound test. It has 𝗛𝘀𝘀 red switches, which were slightly looped, but they need to come out. I will do a full sound test comparison at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. I decided to test the 𝗻𝘀𝘵s first. Here's a quick comparison of how those sound in this keyboard. There's a bit of extra sound coming from this keyboard, and it does not have any foam to be placed at the bottom. This helps dampen some of the sound and rattle that comes from these budget keyboards. Here's another sound test with the tape mod plus the 𝗻𝘀𝘵s. The last thing I wanted to do was loop the stabilizers. This will help with some of the rattling that comes from the shift and space keys. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing. Here's a quick sound test with these in. After that, I pulled out those switches and replaced them with the 𝗛𝘀𝗵𝘀 Pros. For those of you that are curious, I did change out the switch that was under the Shift, Space, and Enter keys to match the rest of this keyboard during the sound test. Now let's listen to the sound test of each of these switches and how they sound. In my opinion, the yellow sounded a bit better in this keyboard than the 𝗵𝘀𝗵𝘁. Let me know which one you liked more down in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this content, consider subscribing not to miss any new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.